na si Faith.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Cebu Safari and Adventure Park proudly presents the Bird Show. Introducing your host for today, Mr. Dustin.
Ang mga bird ba?
Hi, mabuhay! Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Cebu Safari and Adventure Park. Now, my name is Dustin and I'll be your host for today. Now, everyone, hi! Hello! How was everybody doing today? Are you all good? Again, I can't hear you. Are you all good? Alright, what an amazing energy. Now, did you see our group of pigeons? Well, did you know that pigeons can remember places and can find their way back home, no matter how far they will go? It is because pigeons were used as messengers to carry out messages to our friends, families, and loved ones. Now, ladies and gentlemen, please sit back, relax, and enjoy as our fine-footed friends will showcase their natural behaviors, will invite guest participation, and share important environmental message. But the question is, are you ready to be amazed to our fine-footed friends? Now let's get this show started. Now to start off, let me call our bird trainer, Mr. James. And to welcome our blue and gold mahoney, Amigo. Hi buddy, good afternoon. Now Amigo here in Inspired for the Friends has something to tell us. What is it, buddy? Welcome to Cebu Safari's Bird Show. Now ladies and gentlemen, Amigo originates in South America but lives in the rainforest of Brazil. As he is a very responsible bird, he loves to see his environment clean. Now for our first act, we have here 2 sample trash bins labeled as biodegradable and non-biodegradable. We also have here some sample trashes. Now let's see how Amigo can clean up his mess. First one, buddy. He picks up a paper cup, walks all the way. Open the biodegradable bin and he drops it inside. Good bird. Second one, he picks up a plastic bottle, walks all the way. Open the non-biodegradable bin and drop it inside. Third one, he picks up another plastic bottle, walks all the way. Open the bin and he drops it inside. Good bird. Last one, he picks up a crumpled paper. Open the biodegradable bin and he drops it inside. Now see, if the bird can do it, why can't we, right? So always remember to put your trash on your trash bins. As the saying goes, cleanliness is next to... That's right, godliness. Now ladies and gentlemen, from the jungle of South America, here comes our flying horse. So we have a total of 4 flying macaws named Hardy, Matt, Carl, and Ringo. So macaws are very adaptive. Whatever environment they are in, it becomes quite normal to them. Meaning if they are surrounded by many people, they will accept many people. Their main diet, it consists of fruits, palm fruits, nuts, and seeds. Now this bird, it can grow up to 85 centimeters in length with a wingspan of 3 to 4 feet. Now they have a strong beak that can easily crack nuts and seeds with an impressive bite force of 500 to 700 psi. Now psi means pounds per square inch. Now there are around 400 species of parrots in the world, and blue and gold macaw is one of the top 5 largest parrot globally. So round of applause to our flying macaws. Now for our next bird, let me call another bird trainer, Mr. Ronek, together with our blue and gold macaw named Harry. So hi buddy, good afternoon. Now buddy, can you wave to the crowd like this? Hi, welcome to Cebu Safari. Now everyone, can you wave back and say, hello Harry? So macaws have very long tails and feathers that can grow up to 3 feet from his head down to his tail, with a tail that roughly extends up to 2 feet. Now here he's gonna show us his beautiful tail. Can you turn around, buddy? 1, 2, last one. Good bird. Now as you can see, most of their colors are outside their bodies and less color under their wings. But here he's gonna show us his beautiful wings. But first, can you say wings? One more time, say wings. Now lastly, macaws' feet are zygodaculous, meaning they have 2 toes that points forward and 2 toes that points backwards. They can also use their feet to hold on things and climb. Now Mr. Romnick here is a ground nut. He will place it into the plastic basket. Now let's see how Harry will get his nut. Okay buddy? So Harry, carefully lifts up the plastic basket and got his nut. Good job, buddy. Now Harry is a very special bird. You wanna know why? Again, I can hear you. You wanna know why? That's because Harry loves to go to school, to the bird school. Now we have prepared 2 sets of tests for Harry, and the first one is a spelling test. Now we have here 4 animal pictures. We have here the snake, camel, horse, and a tiger. Now everyone, I need you to choose 1 animal picture. What would it be? Again, I can do you. Say it louder. Alright, so let's proceed, tiger. So while our bird trainer arranging the letters, let's proceed here to Mr. Romnick to ask questions about Harry. So hi Mr. Romnick, good afternoon. How are you today?
Good.
That's good to hear. Now Mr. Romnick, where did Harry originally came from?
South America.
Wow, South America, but he loves to stay here in the Philippines, right?
Yes.
Alright, now we're all set and ready. Everybody, take a good look at the picture. Can you spell out the tiger word correctly? Good luck, buddy. First letter. He picks up the letter D. Good bird. Second one. He picks up the letter I. Now for the third one. Walks all the way. And he picks up the letter G. Nice one, buddy. Last 2. He picks up the letter E. And for the last one, buddy, last letter. Is it letter A or letter R? He picks up the letter R. Now, tiger spells C-I-G-E-R. Is it correct? Alright, now since Harry did well on the first test, we will make it more difficult. Let's proceed to mathematical tests in multiplication form. Now I need 2 numbers from 1 to 10. Can you raise your hands or hand sign please? How about on this side? Raise your hand. Okay, I see your number 9. How about on this side? Higher than 5. Higher than 5 please. Okay, I hear number 8. 9 times 8. Now, this type of behavior showcases their intelligence, curiosity, social nature, and how quickly they can learn. In fact, macaws are often compared to a 4-year-old children because of how they think and act. So while Mr. Charles arranging the jumbled numbers, let's proceed here to Mr. Romnick to ask questions about Harry. Now, Mr. Romnick, what are Harry's favorite food?
Variety of seeds, fruits, and vegetables.
So Harry's favorite foods are a variety of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. Next question, Mr. Romnick, what are Harry's favorite subject?
English and math.
English and math. Last question, Mr. Romnick, where did Harry love to go to school?
University of Cebu Safari.
University of Cebu Safari. Now let's see how good he is at math. Buddy, what is 9 times 8? Okay, good luck, buddy. Now for the first number. He picks up the number 7. Okay, no. Okay, buddy, number 7. Now for the last one, last number. He picks up the number 2. Now 9 times 8 is equals to 72. Is it correct? So round of applause to our blue and gold Mokone, Harry. Now ladies and gentlemen, at this moment I need an adult volunteer. So adult volunteer is not afraid of the birds. Just raise your hands if you want to volunteer. So we have here our volunteer staff, Atika. She'll be the one who'll pick out the volunteer and